StudyMood.com.
Okay, next is also from exercise 13.1 and the question number is 7. It is a question based on the tent. Exercise 13.1 question based on a tent. The question is, a tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a conical top. If the height and diameter of the cylindrical part are 2.1 meter and 4 meter respectively, and the slant height of the top is 2.8 meter, find the area of the canvas used for making the tent. Also, find the cost of the canvas of the tent at the rate of rupees 500 per meter square. This is the question. So, we have to find out the area of canvas required to make a tent, and the tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a conical part. Also, we have to find the cost of canvas required to make the tent. So, the rough sketch is, there is a cylindrical part. This is the cylindrical part and a cone is mounted. This is the shape of the tent, and the dimensions given are height and diameter of the cylindrical part are, height of the cylinder is 2.1. Height of the cylinder means this much. This is equal to h, which is equal to 2.1 meter. And diameter is 4 meter, means radius is equal to 2 meter. This is the radius, which is equal to 2 meter. And slant height of the top means slant height of the cone, it is given as 2.8 meter. L, the slant height is directly given as 2.8 meter. Now, we have to find the area of canvas used or area of canvas required to make this tent. So, remember one thing, that in the base, there we will not put the canvas. So, there is no need to find out the area of the base in case of a tent. So, we have to find out the CSA of the CSA of the cone and the CSA of the cylindrical part. So, we can write as area of canvas required to make the tent. To make the tent is equal to CSA of cone plus CSA of cylinder. Which are, CSA of cone formula is pi RL plus CSA of cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH. Here radius is equal to, radius small r is equal to 2 meter, height h is equal to 2.1 meter, and slant height L is equal to 2.8 meter. All the measures are given. So, here also the diameters of the two solids are equal, means radius are equal. A radius of cone and radius of cylinder are equal. So, we can take pi r as a common factor from these two terms. Taking pi r as common, the remaining is L plus 2h. Giving values, pi is equal to 22 by 7 into radius, r is equal to 2 into, within brackets, L, which is equal to 2.8 plus 2 into h. H is equal to 2.1, so it is 2 into 2.1. So much meter square. This is equal to 22 into 2, 44 by 7 into, adding 2.8 plus 2 into 2.1, which is equal to 4.2 meter square. This is equal to 44 by 7 into 2.8 plus 4.2, which is equal to 7 meter square. Cancelling 7 and 7, area is equal to 44 meters square. Now, cost of 1 meter of canvas, it is given in the question as rupees 500. Cost of 1 meter square of canvas. Cost of 1 meter square of canvas is equal to rupees 500. Therefore, total cost of canvas required. Therefore, total cost of canvas required is equal to rupees 500 into 44. This is equal to rupees 22,000 is the answer. Rupees 22,000 is the cost of canvas required for making the given tent, which is 2 meters in diameter and 2.1 meter high, and slant height L is equal to 2.8 meter. The area of canvas required is 44 meter square, and at the rate of rupees 500 per meter square, the total cost of canvas required for making the tent is rupees 22,000 also. Okay.